A super fun time! Hi, this is Miss Sue. Today we are going to be learning a famous Chinese New Year song, Gong Xi Gong Xi. Alright, let's get it started. There are 4 phrases. Let's start from the first one. 每条大街小巷, which means on every single street. 每条大街小巷. The second one. 每个人的嘴里. Everybody is saying. 每个人的嘴里. The third one. 见面第一句话. As the first thing they say. 见面第一句话. And the last one. 就是恭喜恭喜 is congratulations, which means greetings in this instance. 就是恭喜恭喜. Then we're going to be singing congratulations for quite a few times. 恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀，恭喜恭喜恭喜你，恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀，恭喜恭喜恭喜你。Did you get that? Alright, let's try it out.
每条大街小巷，每个人的嘴里，见面第一句话就是恭喜恭喜，恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀，恭喜恭喜恭喜你。冬天一到尽头，真是好。
Wow, I'm so proud of you. That was amazing. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's it for now. See you next time. Question time. How many oxen did you find in the video?